Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your ImTokens account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your ImTokens account, firstly go ahead and launch open your ImToken application. The home page of ImToken application will appear on the screen. Tap on Create Identity. On the next page, enter your name. Set a password for your ImTokens account, confirm your password by re-entering it, set your password hint if you want to, or else you can also skip the process. Tap on the circle to agree to the terms and conditions of ImTokens account and click on Create Entity. Add username for your ImTokens account and tap on Save. Add account on the next page and click on Confirm. You can secure your wallet by backing up the mnemonics. For that, tap on Backup Mnemonics option. Click on Confirm Backup. Select the mnemonics in the correct order and tap on Next. This is how you can sign up for your ImTokens account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.